you, Hoffmaster.
All right, middle.
Sand dunes. Let's go, boys.
Obsession. Obsession.
We're here. What do we do?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Fast.
Yes. Wait, what?
Yes, please.
All right. 1 second. 9 is your change.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you're all set.
Thank you.
We turned over the fun of making the song to you.
Nice.
Knives.
She's not writing any music.
She is naked. David-san, we're here.
What's up? Yes, please. Is this a video?
We out here.
We out here.
I don't have to hold it anymore. Oh, you want to take a picture?
We're just standing there staring at it.
An obsession.
This is where our tennis team comes to run sand dunes once a year.
Did you?
Oh gosh. We're climbing up my brother's first dune. I'm not even halfway up and he's dying.
I'm done.
No, we gotta go all the way up, dude.
There's no way.
Turn around, look at this view.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that boat, dude.
This is sick.
He needs to set his sail.
Pizza! Pizza! Yeah!
Alright. Are you ready to continue climbing?
Oh, we good.
David-san?
As I a treasure lent me from
They're freaking lazy and they don't want to go this way. This looks much way less steep looking than it is. Oh! Dude, this route sucks. This route hurts.
Whoa! This is a great view too. Let's take a selfie here, guys.
Oh, good idea. Let's use this camera.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is a great view, actually.
Great.
I can use this as a selfie stick. A giant tripod selfie stick. This is great. Ow, 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 ow. There's stuff on the floor. So we're taking a different route, which is
Ooh, pull up.
like this.
Take a picture of me. Hey.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
I'll do
Is this,
it.
oh gosh, ow, ow. Is this poison ivy or what? Oh! You're in the trees. Sorry. Speaking socks. What are you doing?
He wants to go. Ready?
Mowgli man. Alright. We're probably about ready to leave now. It's probably, what, 4:30? Probably close to 5. Yep. Gonna go maybe eat pizza for dinner that we made ourselves. And just relax at home.
We're here. Gonna leave. We're gonna leave in
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Elijah's taking over.
Elijah's taking over. We out here at the beach. Bunch of smokers. Smell bad. We out.
That is the reason we are leaving, because they're smoking, and It's disgusting. What a party poopers.
Obsession. Obsession.
So how do you feel about these people who are smoking?
Hate them.
There should be a law, no smoking at the beach. Freaking annoyance. Oh. Leaving the beach now. Next stop, home. So, made it home. All showered after the beach. And squirrel. Hello, friend. He's eating that thing like corn. Anyways, before I was interrupted by that squirrel, we are on our way to Meyer, because we're about to make pizza for dinner.
I thought you said you're not gonna use this footage, bro.
What footage?
You have too much footage.
Bro, it's a memory. It has to be captured.
A treasure lent me from obsession.
Made our Meyer run.
Yeah, we're
We
good.
bought everything that we need for a pizza.
We did?
and-
I thought we were getting yache.
Oh yeah, and we need some vegetables. Oh my gosh. We need some vegetables and then we're gonna make our food. Lego. Alright. This is the first pizza you can watch the making of in Sunday Fun Day channel. Links down below. This is the aftermath. Oh gosh, the aftermath of Cooking 101. Kinda sucked, but whatever. Finished everything. Eating now. Nom nom.